who lost their lives to free India and deepens our love for her. You all are supposed to say, I love my India. Come on, students, you're supposed to say, I love my India.
Say, I love my India.
Hello, students. You all
Say
are
a little loud.
I love
Yes.
my India.
Very good.
Yes, very
Okay, so here I would like to introduce you all with Independence Day. So students, as we all know that some students, they are joining now and it will create little disturbance, but now I'll not join, okay? So dear students, we all know that 15th August 1947 was the day embossed in the golden history of India. It is the day when India got its freedom from the 200 years of British rule. Dear students, we can't even imagine, okay, what our ancestors might have suffered from. It was a hard and a long, non-violent struggle in which many freedom fighters and great men sacrificed their lives for our beloved motherland. Independence Day is like a birthday of our country. So, dear students, it's birthday. So, we need to be quite excited because it's the birthday of our motherland. Yes. And we celebrate this 15th August every year as an Independence Day. It is celebrated as a national holiday, okay, throughout the country. And it is called the Red Letter Day in our history of our country. Dear student, I'm sure that during this lockdown period, we have understood what is the importance of Independence Day. When we were locked at our home for so long, for me, though it was not
Nitika
less
ma'am.
than... Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is fluctuating.
Okay, hello. Now it is okay, ma'am.
Yeah, it is okay.
Dear student, we can't even imagine, okay? And this thing I have observed during means lockdown period when I was at my home. Okay, so with this, I would like to proceed further. History. I'll not go in that much detail because it's not at all your history period, okay? I'll just start that how your independence, how our Independence Day was there at the midnight of 14th August, okay? Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the India's first prime minister, he read out the famous speech and declared that India got independent. Oh my God, just imagine how happy the people of India might be at that time. But student, it wasn't a period of unqualified joy. For a lot of people, in spite of new era promised by independence, partition was a painful reality, and so was the bloodshed that accompanied it. That was 53 years ago. Much has changed. The struggle for freedom lives on in history, books, and memories. And on the tombstones of valiant martyrs, politics has undergone a personality change from fiery idealism to a pragmatic cynicism. Karma drives the nation on its way forward, and population has crossed the billion mark. But come August 15th, and the people put their trouble behind them for a while. As they stand up as a nation for the national anthem, along with the soaring cadence of the anthem, the hopes and dreams for a better tomorrow are renewed in political speeches and replays of the deeds of those who earned for our freedom. Independence Day is an occasion to rejoice in our freedom and to pay collective homage to all those people who sacrificed their life to the cause. Each year, August 15 gives us the reason to celebrate all this and do much more. It is a time to contemplate what we have and how we achieved it. Independence Day remained the sole national festival till India declared itself a republic in 1950. On January 26, 1950, Republic Day became the second Indian national holiday. Dear student, I'm sure that you are able to recognize this picture. It is our national flag. So dear student, the green color of your flag, what it shows? Anyone can tell me what it shows? It shows our relation to our soil, students, our relation to the plant life here on which all other life depends. Okay, haryali, greenery. Next, bhagwa or the saffron color denotes renunciation of disinterested. Our leader must be indifferent to material gains and dedicated themselves to their work. It is dedication of our freedom fighters toward their nation. The white in the center is light, the path of truth to guide our conduct. Okay, we must follow the path of honesty. Okay, honesty. Okay, so and last there is Ashoka Chakra. Anyone can tell me how many those are there?
6. Ma'am, 24.
Yes, there are 24 sticks are there on that emblem. Okay, very good. And lastly, student, our Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, he hoisted the flag and pays his homage to the freedom fighter. On August 15, 1947, the former Mughal emperor is divided into the independent nation of India and Pakistan. So student, this is the way how Independence Day is celebrated in Delhi. Okay, tomorrow we will see on our television as well. So now it's time to have some rock on. Okay, here I want Akshara. Akshara, ready? Akshara, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now it's time for Akshara to show some energetic dance to pay homage to our country, that is India. Okay, you can keep your camera on and start. Akshara? Yes. Okay, start Akshara. Unmute
She
yourself.
hasn't done.
Unmute, bache. Hello? Unmute. Yes, unmute. Yes, start now.
बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको लाती लाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यारे बस तेरा प्यारे तुझे सलाम तुझे सलाम अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ती है अब तो हमें जाती है बस एक नानी कहना हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो कुछ मेरे आगे से तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया तेरे आगे से तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया
Everyone, come on.
सबसे मेरा
जान से प्यारा है सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है।
मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती। देश मेरे, देश मेरे, देश मेरे, देश मेरे, देश
Thank you, everyone.
Very good. Excellent, Akshara. Really very good. You have add spice to our function. Very good. Okay, so very good. Keep it up. Okay, next student here. I'm here to tell you some amazing facts about India. Okay, why we must feel proud on being an Indian. Student, water on the moon was first discovered by India. Okay, Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to ex-Indian president, that is APJ Abdul Kalam. So these are the matter of being proud. Okay, various great mathematicians were born in India. The human calculator, that is Shakuntala Devi. Okay, she is known as the human calculator. Okay, why? Because she has calculated 13 digits number which were just picked randomly, and she answered that only in 28 seconds. It's difficult for calculator also to do the same. Okay, but she did, and she was an Indian.
This is not clear.
Yes, my voice is not clear.
Yeah, ma'am.
Diamond were first mined in India. Oh my God, we all are so rich, huh? So that's all, student. Okay, and feel proud to be an Indian and do something so that your parents, we as a teacher must feel proud of you all. Okay, so now it's time for Angel Gaba to show her performance. Angel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start, bache.
Yes.
Unmute
Yes, ma'am.
yourself. Okay, take care.
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था, ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Parents can also come. It is celebration for everyone. Parents can also join. I can see some parents want to see, but they are hiding themselves. You all are welcome to see our function, dear parents. Keep your cameras on.
So ये था मेरा performance.
Excellent, Angel Gaba. Very good. Okay, so
Very
that
good.
was mind-blowing performance from Angel Gaba's side. Now, dear students, it's time to play quiz. I hope so that you all are ready to play quiz. Okay, so this quiz will be taken up by Usha ma'am, okay? There will be 5 theoretical questions and 5 picture type question, okay? So you all are supposed to take your name, buzz around it is, okay? Take your name like Akshara, Usha, Angel, okay? And those students who will speak it out first, I'll take name, okay? Okay, Akshara can speak or Gaba can speak. Don't speak suddenly, okay? Otherwise, you will be disqualified. And when you all will come to school, we'll have some different prizes for you all, okay? So be excited till that time. Okay, Usha ma'am, it's over to you.
Thank you, Nitika ma'am. Good morning, everyone, and happy Independence Day to everyone. So now let's start with the quiz. We will check your little knowledge with that. Okay, let's start. Who has given the slogan Karo Ya Maro?
The buzz around it is take your name. Karo ya maro, students. Who said this?
Who said? Who has given the slogan Karo Ya Maro? Anyone knows? You can raise your hand also
Yes.
if you know. Anyone?
Yeah, Kritika
Mahatma
Raise
Gandhi.
your hands.
Kritika, yes. Kritika, unmute yourself and speak.
मैं
बच्चे.
महात्मा गांधी मैं महात्मा गांधी
Yes, yes, you're right, Kritika. It is Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes. Okay, Kritika
Next
got
question.
10 points. Okay, next.
Next question, ma'am. Who has given the famous slogan Inqilab Zindabad? You have heard about this many times.
Inqilab Zindabad. Come on. Who said this?
मैम आई कैन
Yes.
Ma'am, I can.
Speak your name, बच्चे.
Ma'am,
Because
मैम आई कैन माय नेम अक्षा
okay, Akshara.
Aksha,
speak.
okay, yes.
मैम
Aksha,
इकबाल
no,
Ma'am, Bhagat Singh.
मैम
yes.
चाचा नेहरू तो
Yes, it is Bhagat Singh.
It is Bhagat Singh, okay? And 10 marks
Angel.
goes to Akshara ma'am.
Angel.
Akshara spoke or who spoke?
No, Angel, I think Angel. Angel, you
Angel
have
got-
answered Bhagat Singh, na?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, Angel.
Okay, Angel got 10 marks.
Okay, next question. Which Independence Day we are celebrating this year?
Number. you
मैम
have to
75 मैम
Don't answer like this. Now you will be disqualified.
मैम
Yes, Abhi Sharma.
अक्षरा
Yes, Abhi Sharma.
यस मैम
Yes, tell the answer.
मैम 75
Yes, 75th
Yes, very good.
celebration. 75th year celebration. Abhi. Okay, 10 marks for you. Next question, ma'am. When did first revolt against British start in India?
Ma'am,
According
Angel.
to Britannica,
Raise your hand.
Angel is saying. Angel, come on.
Yes.
Angel.
Ma'am, 1857.
Yes, 1857. Again, 10 marks for Angel.
Very good, Angel. Okay.
Okay, so who was the first Prime Minister of independent India?
चाचा नेहरू
Ma'am, I can say.
Aksha.
Very good,
Aksha.
Akshara.
Okay, again Aksha. Yes, it is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Very good, Akshara. Okay.
Okay, very good. Now we will start the picture
And-
quiz.
And ma'am, just announce winners of this round, Angel and Akshara.
Okay. Angel and Aksha got 20 marks. And Kritika and Abhi 10 marks each.
Okay. So still we have one more round to achieve more good marks. Okay. So your
Okay. You have to recognize these leaders.
Ma'am, Angel.
Yes,
Angel
ma'am.
is-
Ma'am, Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Yes,
Ma'am,
you're right.
Aksha Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Angel has
Ma'am, me
spoke
Aksha.
earlier. Angel has spoke earlier, ma'am.
Angel was first, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Try other one also, or other students are not even trying.
Student, you're supposed to participate, but it's for everyone, okay? We are celebrating our
Okay.
Independence Day, birthday of our motherland, okay? So next,
Okay, you just keep your mics off.
Ma'am, Aksha.
Raise your hand.
Ma'am, Rajiv
Just
Gandhi.
raise your hand.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
No.
no,
Ma'am, Rajiv Gandhi.
no,
No,
Aksha.
no. Just raise your hand and don't say the names. Okay, raise your hands.
Ma'am, Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes.
Yes, again, Angel.
Okay. Angel, keep your camera on, bache, okay? I
Subhash
hope
Chandra
so.
Bose.
You are not looking from somewhere else.
Yes. See now? Any other?
Hurry up, bacho.
Ma'am, Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Again, Angel.
Okay, Angel spoke.
Okay, I think this round will be for Angel only.
Okay, next.
Okay, next.
Next student.
Other students, you don't want to try Sonakshi,
Ma'am, Bala.
Arushi.
Tanya, speak, bache. Tanya, yes.
Ma'am, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Ma'am, Vallabhbhai
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Tanya
you're right, Tanya.
raised her hand. Okay, so very good, Tanya. Okay, next, last. Come on. Very
Last.
easy. Very easy.
Ma'am, Jawaharlal Nehru.
Ma'am, Chacha Nehru.
Aksha will choose.
Ma'am, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit
Yes, you all are
Jawaharlal
right.
Nehru.
Pandit
Chacha
Jawaharlal
Nehru.
Nehru, also known as Chacha Nehru.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so winner of this round, Angel 30 marks, Tanya 10, and Aksha 10.
So, ma'am, kindly tell overall winner also.
Angel Gapa 50 marks,
Okay, first Angel, second
sorry, Angel got 60.
okay,
Then
second
all are getting 10 marks. So I will tell names. Kritika 10 marks, Abhi Sharma 10 marks, Angel 60, Tanya 10, and Aksha 10.
okay. So congratulations to all. Okay, dear students, so it's time to wind up. Here it's my privilege and I feel honored to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this year's Independence Day celebration. कोई भी देश perfect नहीं होता, उसे perfect बनाना होता है. Yes, I'm proud to be an Indian. I take pride in my Indian identity, but are we the best country? Are we the best people on the planet? I'm afraid to say no, but we have all potential power to be one with this world. Finally, I would like to thank our respected principal sir who has given us opportunity to celebrate this Independence Day online with our students. Thank you so much, principal sir. And next, our activity coordinator Ravi sir, Deepika ma'am, and all for giving us such a great opportunity. Okay, and lastly, our lovely student who participated and made this event as a huge success. So thank you all. Thanks a lot. So at the end, on this Independence Day, let's take
Okay,
a
ma'am.
pledge that we will become responsible citizen of this country and make every effort to make it the best in the world. You're supposed to speak this. Come on, student, you all will speak. On this Independence Day, come on, students.
On this
Yes.
on this Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Let's take a pledge. Let's take a pledge. Keep your arm forward.
Let's take a
Let's take a pledge.
That we will become. That we will become.
We
will become responsible and good citizen of our country.
And good citizens of our
country. And make every effort.
and make
Effort. Okay, to make it.
Thoughts.
To make it.
Make it
The best in the world.
best in the world.
Very good, students. May God bless you all. So with this, students, now we will chant Shanti part so that there should be Shanti in our lives, okay, and in our country too. So close your eyes and chant Shanti part. Wait, students, it's not. Okay, some problem, I think. Ma'am, it is playing.
No, it's not playing. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
we have 8 minutes left.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
can ask anybody wants to sing a song.
Yes. Yes, student, if anyone is interested, online participation, come on. Still we have time.
Patriotic song.
It's very good opportunity to participate, student. Okay, we must be, we have taken a pledge, no, that we will be responsible student of our country. So be responsible and take part now. Come on. Hello.
We will also sing with you.
Yes. Come on.
Anyone wants to sing?
No? Okay, Usha ma'am will
No.
sing then. Usha ma'am.
Ma'am, what will I sing?
Yes, ma'am, sing.
Okay, we will sing "Ae Watan," okay? But very little, because I also don't know the full song. Okay. "Ae watan watan mere आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन." That's it.
Wow. I'll sing now, okay? This song was favorite when I was a student. And it always make me a cry. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आंख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. See, student, I know my voice is not at all good, okay, but I'm responsible. Okay,
No, ma'am, so good.
Ma'am, your voice is
Okay,
too good.
please, anyone Angel or Akshay, you
Okay,
want to
now
sing?
if ma'am is
Yes,
good,
ma'am, I can sing one.
yes, Akshay
Yes,
will
you can
sing now.
sing.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। Ma'am, only this much.
Wow, very
Okay,
good,
very
very good,
nice.
very good, very good, very good. Okay,
Anyone?
students. Very
If
good.
nobody
Anyone
wants
else?
to sing, then it's enough.
Anyone else want to participate? Student, be responsible student and take part, बच्चों. No?
No?